Look at that view, guys. That's where we going today. We're about halfway on the ascent towards the lake, which I think is right up there. It's not terribly steep. It's steep in sections. But this view, man. Whew, I do love me these Sangre de Cristos, these Bloods of Christ. Anyway, for those keeping score at home, that's 1.5 miles in. I remembered the Strava today. That's a cool valley to camp. Ooh, it's cactusy. Cactus-y, meaning my leg has no thorns. Anyway, we'll take you back up when we get up.